So he's torturing Xander. Sissy, what are you doing to your brother? She said, give me your pillow.
You want to cuddle up you with me?
Sissy. Your arms are all red. What are you doing to him, sis? She's going to give it a kiss. She's going to give your boo-boos a kiss. Aw, that's nice. Aw, she spit on it for you.
Ew.
You heard him?
Yes, you